What's going on YouTube? Geosnow right here. So in today's video we're talking about the latest update of the Odyssey Jailbreak. So as it turns out, we got a new update yesterday which adds support for more devices. It's now available on the official Odyssey Jailbreak website as the version 1.2.2 and it uses a new TFP0 kernel exploit. This video is brought to you by Anyfix, a software which allows you to repair various iOS errors, upgrade, downgrade, and exit and enter recovery mode on your device. Check it out in the link below. So the Odyssey team posted a couple of hours ago, quote, Odyssey 1.2.2 is now available with support for A8 and A9 devices on 13.5.1 to 13.7. For those of you who weren't aware, the original Odyssey jailbreak did not support this on 13.5.1, 13.7 or 13.6 and stuff like that because of the exploit compatibility. Odyssey mostly uses the exploit from here, the ZecOps Frida Sandbox exploit for 13.7 and lower. And this one is actually great, it works okay, it needed a little bit of cleaning from Coolstar, but then it works pretty fine. However, this exploit has a problem. It's not compatible at all with the A8 and A9 devices as outlined by Coolstar here on the Issues tab. So a new exploit was needed in order to update the Odyssey jailbreak for more devices. So they ended up using Cymo's exploit here. Cymo posted the first exploit for 13.7 and lower and they said, quote, here's a proof of concept kernel exploit. It demonstrates how to get kernel task port on 13.7. I will update the POC with a write-up later. However, at that time, Cymo said, I don't recommend using it on your personal device or to use it for a jailbreak. It may leave your device in an unstable state. You've been warned. And this is the reason why we didn't use this for Odyssey as the main exploit, because in meantime, this exploit by Frida Sandbox was released, and this one was definitely more stable. However, a couple of days ago, Cymo posted this. Quote, I've updated OOB events exploit and it should work fine on A12 plus devices with 60% of success rate and 95% in devices with lower RAM size. For example, the A10, tested on iPhone 11 and iPhone 7. So this one was actually used by Coolstar to support of course the A8 and A9 devices. This means that you can now finally jailbreak the iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, the iPhone SE 2020, the iPads and stuff like that. And of course, this is pretty great. So you should definitely get this update here. Now, if you don't have a computer to use the IPA file, the jailbreaks.app, which is available here at jailbreaks.app, has the Odyssey signed. You press here and just install it. So it's like a signing service, but only with jailbreaks. You basically go here to jailbreaks and you have all of them in here. There are other applications, but compared to App Valley, there are not so many. However, this is just for jailbreak purposes. So you will be able to install the Odyssey jailbreak, the latest version, without a computer. There is also the Uncover available. However, compared to the Odyssey, the Uncover doesn't support 13.7, 13.5.1, 13.6 and stuff like that. So yeah, get the latest version of the Odyssey jailbreak. It does add support for more devices and it uses a new exploit by Cymo, which is definitely great. And get of course the no PC version if you can, because that's actually even better since you don't need to bother with a computer or a Mac. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I am Geosnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated with the latest jailbreak news and peace out.